Another great one, this would be similar to the subset function, where you filter. So instead of the select statements in the subset function, so we filter, it subsets your data based on a variable's value. So you have to put in a rule that in the filter that will return either a true or a false for each observation. So this is what it would look like down here. So you're seeing the same syntax with your data set and then your piping, and then it goes in, it dumps that into filter. So this is the basic syntax that you'll see. It's exactly the same as the subset function, just you don't have to put the data frame in the beginning. So this filter, then it takes all values that equal value within variable. It will subset to those to the value observations. So notice in here that we have equals equals. If you went to my earlier classes, I tried to stress the difference between equals and equals equals. Since this is an intermediate class, you hopefully have the hang of this by now. But equals equals is going to tell you true or false, or whether or not these variable equal value. Whereas one equals would be an assignment operator, and we're going to get more to that into that later. But please note that there are two equal signs here. There's a lot that you can do with this. You can use a lot of different operators, very similar to subset, inside of that filter function. So you can use as many conditions as you want, and then say you want to, in this case, I show it down here. You can use the AND operator to connect. So this would tell you cases where your first argument and your second argument are true. Both would have to be true. The other thing that's really useful is the not equals. So you can say pull values where variable 1 does not equal value 1, and where variable 2 does not equal value 2, shown here. So the other really useful one is the OR. So that is the bar. It will be under the backspace button, I believe, on a PC. I have a Mac and it's under the delete button. I believe you have to press shift and then that particular bar, or